Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity this time something very crazy and absolutely very important for all holders now because we will talk about the next pump of Axie Infinity. So really, can next pump is possible to in upcoming time they will pumps up or they will dumps down more and more. My friends, how much and when they will pumps up? Let's get start the brand video. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon if you want to earn money from crypto. Subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. So my friends, Axie Infinity will take a very huge jump just in only my friend in last 7 days. I can't expect this my friend from any coin, but they will take a very huge jump. But after that, they will completely moving in the normal condition as you can see here like that. So therefore, I told you my friends to why they will take a jump. First of all, my friend, this is the short-term investor. They are stop selling and they are starting holding. So definitely they will, my friends, take a jump. But after that, my friends, when they will take a very huge jump, after that they will again starting selling in the coin or very badly fails down. So therefore, I told you, my friends, to don't starting selling at any wrong time because my brother, you know, the coin is very badly fails down. So I'm 100% sure my friends to in upcoming days, especially in the last 10 days of every month, every coin will completely get a profit. So therefore, I hope to Axie Infinity will also my friends pumps up and give you a very good profit. So for that, you will need my friends to just only hold down and wait for the end of month. I hope my friend, if you just only wait starting waiting for the end of month, that's clear my friends, so they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. And everybody knows this my friends, to when a coin are very badly turns down, then after a dump absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore my friend, I will tell you to Axie Infinity is also one of the best coin. I hope in upcoming time they will get a very good profit. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.